Hey YouTubers, it's Sunday morning. It's real windy out right now. Just wanted to show you my shop and some of the best lights I found for it. So if you've got a shop and you're on a budget, I think you really like these lights. This is a metal shop that I've got. This is a lean-to in the back I use for storage, my tractor and some other stuff. It's made out of 2 by 2.5 inch steel tubing with metal siding on it. You'll find these on the internet a lot of places. This one's made by Eagle Carports, but I'll show you what I did to it because I've got a nice house with brick and stucco, and there's my dump truck. And what I did was I put stucco on the outside, and then I had it bricked up about 3 feet with a wainscoting so it kind of matched the house. In my neighborhood they thought I was going to build some junky looking garage, but oh well, I'm still working on it. But there's my gravel driveway coming in, and here's the outside. Still working on it. I will tell you one thing I don't like is these roll-up doors. I don't recommend them. I recommend you ordering, if you get someone to build it for you or whatever, leave the doors off the kit and have a regular garage door company come in and put in regular garage doors, because these are roll-ups. And what happens with a roll-up door, let me tell you, this side's my paint booth that I'm trying to finish. There's an air gap in here that you, in the winter time, you can't seal it. I wasn't about to shove stuff in there. But anyway, let me show you these lights, okay? Hold on with me. Oh, there we are. These lights are LEDs. I think they're 5000K. And I had my electrician. I mounted them. He ran the power up to them, and I put a single outlet on each beam. But here's the trick of these lights that I really liked. This shop is 24 wide by 30 long. Okay, and my paint booth on the other side is 30 long and 16 feet wide. Anyway, long story short, I'm still doing everything in here. It's been hot as hell this summer, so I'll tell you what I'm doing for the installation on the next video. But on these lights themselves, these are all bought from Amazon. They come in box like this. There's the name. Okay, I'm not promoting to sell these or whatever, not making any money off them. I'm strictly passing it on to you guys. You got 3 different options. These little deals here is so you can butt these lights together, and they hook up together and just tin them, bam, 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 bam. Or it comes with this to where it just sticks in one side of the light, and you have an opening here you can put your own plug-in in. Or it comes with this little switch here, and you plug it in here into the light, and it already comes pre-wired to plug in, which is what I used up there. And I'll cut that later and modify it, solder them, and fix them the right way. I just needed freaking lights. But anyway, you see what I got, and they are, let's see, how many? This is 30 feet long. I put 1, 2, 3, 4 fit perfectly on these beams going here, and I butted them all together. It gives me plenty of light. I'll probably later on put some on this wall when the wall's completed. And what else can I show you? Oh, I also bought this on Amazon. I plan on doing a little trick. This is called a UFO light. And good Lord, they put out some light, and it was dirt cheap. And what I plan on doing with it is building a pole stand, like, you know, you have those work stand lights you can move around that has twins. Used to have halogens that are really hot. That thing I'm going to mount it on a pole, and that way I can move it around if I need more light underneath an engine bay or anything like that. And this is the Mustang I've been working on all winter. Still working on the shop, and I'll show you how I'm going to insulate this building. And the other side's already been halfway done, and I'll show you that here in a minute, or next video. Thank you.